Hello guys, today I'm doing my gravel ride for the mornings. Mornings are getting colder and colder every day, so it's a relief and it's really enjoyable for the morning rides. So today I'm gonna change I'm not going to change, I'm just going to overhaul the bottom bracket of my project bike. And hope you guys have a nice day today and keep safe, and thank you for watching. So here we go. As expected, it's all filthy and really old grease, so we have to... Sorry guys, I didn't realize that the battery died on me, but I removed the bottom bracket already. The drive side took me a lot. It was really stuck in there, so I'm cleaning it. And over here I have the parts at the degreaser, so I'm gonna clean them and put on some new grease and get it all together again. So right now I'm not going to switch the bottom bracket for a new one, but that is the plan. But for right now I need it to work well, you know. It's a new bike, so it was really filthy, as you can see. The racks over there, all dirty stuff, but now it's gonna work a little bit better. So there we have it, already greased, smoothly, so I think it works for right now. So apparently that's it, guys. Hopefully this will work for a while until I can, you know, change the bottom bracket. So see you later.